How to get rid of upper lip hair naturally at home. Turmeric with milk. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric and milk each together in a bowl to make a paste. Then apply this paste on the hair over your lip. Let it dry and then wash with fresh water. Turmeric with water. If you can't find the milk instantly, replace it with water and repeat the same steps told above. Plain flour. Mix flour with milk and turmeric, forming a dense paste. Rub it on the hair, wait until it dries, and then wash. Lemon and water. Take juice of 2 lemons. Add some water and sugar and mix thoroughly. It will become a thin liquid paste. Simmer it on the desired place and wash after 15 minutes. Sugar waxing. Beauty parlor offer waxing services to remove unwanted hair and possible you might have been available it. Idea here is that why not you do it yourself at home. No extra money spending. Moreover, sugar waxing is quite better than normal waxing in terms of pain. Threading. Twist a thread loop below the hair you want to remove and pull them out. It may be remembered that threading lasts for maximum 2 weeks. Yogurt, turmeric and gram flour. Amalgamate equal amount of yogurt, gram flour and turmeric and make a paste. Rub the hair with this paste gently. Let it sit for 15 minutes and wash with clean water. Sugar. Sugar is deemed quite better solution for removal of unwanted upper lip hairs. Heat sugar in a pan for 1 minute. Then add some fresh lemon juice and stir to form a thick paste. Let it cool and apply on the lip hair and rub with a cloth in circular motions. Pull the hair in opposite direction of their growth. This will remove majority of the hair. Using scissors. If hairs are grown big, you can also use scissors to cut them off. Chana dal flour. Mix some chana dal flour with turmeric and little amount of water. Mix thoroughly, then add some fresh cream and apply the mixture above your upper lip. Wait until it dries and then cover the hair against their growth direction. Having hairs over the lips is natural for men, but for women, it is like a nightmare. Upper lip hair or female mustache grows out to change in hormones. Women use laser treatment, bleach, wax, creams, or epilators to get rid of this issue. These treatments are very costly and in fact provide the temporary solution. Female mustaches would entirely collapse the grace of their personality, and that is why women do not bear to see it at all. Viewers, so if you were undergoing this similar problem, first mind it that spending money on the unreliable solutions is not wiser. With the help of simple tips, you can easily remove upper lip hair naturally without it growing back. Viewers, if you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel.